very much for coming by to the first pitch of the startup competition. My name is Isabel. I'm one of the co-founders of Alpas, and Alpas provides AI-driven sourcing software to you. Just one thing two questions that I would like to answer here is, who are we? We are basically hunters, so we really try to find you the best fitting supplier worldwide for the best quality and the best price. And how do we do this? We basically use state-of-the-art machine learning. We use from Google some BERT models. We develop them, model them on our needs, basically. We don't use LLMs at the moment that much because it doesn't fit to what we actually need, and provide this within this beautiful solution to you. 3 components that I would like to highlight here is basically that we really generate 100% fitting suppliers for your individualized search. And individualized is super important. So whenever you, for example, are looking for a mechanical, electrical, chemical part of your choice, and you really have a lot of technical, basically, parameters that you need to fulfill, you can enter those, and we really try to find you the best 100% fitting suppliers. On top of that, we provide 360-degree supplier view. So you will also receive financials, org charts, risk data, ESG data, so that you have everything from your existing, but also from your new suppliers. And on top of that, we develop with BASF a short touchless tender. It's an RFP solution, you could say, to request the first quote in a very, very easy way. And this is super important, easy way, because the supplier doesn't need to be onboarded. The supplier doesn't need to log into the system to deliver the quote. So the response rate for the suppliers is much higher. And here I would like to highlight a couple of the basically really benefits, and we are proud to present them here to you. So for one leading combustion engine manufacturer in Germany, for example, we were able to save up to 450,000 euros in spend per year just by identifying alternative suppliers for 2 mechanical parts. For another optical system, a semiconductor leader basically in this space, we were able to save up to 40% of savings. For a construction energy company, up to 57% in savings. And what I would also consider here is basically showing you a little bit the demand that we have right now. So since last year, we kind of 9 times grew in terms of revenue. We have a 300% net revenue retention rate, which means that the cohort of 2021, which tried out our solution, likes us, continues to use us, and we have 0% churn of yearly and multi-yearly customers right now. And we are proud to serve all of our customers at the same quality standards, of course. We want to double the team, and I think one thing that I wanted to highlight before stopping is that we are also part of the Y Combinator batch, because there are a lot of US potential interested parties here. And we do have basically a Delaware C corporation, so we are a US company with a German subsidiary, and we would love to hunt your best suppliers. Thank you very much for listening.